Hello, and welcome to Premises Access Control. In this tutorial, we will be demonstrating how to use your new access control system. At the end of the training, you will be able to add residents and staff, assign access to doors, remove access and credentials, edit access groups, run reports, and install a lock. We have broken this training down into multiple segments, all of which will be part of this initial training session. However, we have included each of them individually as a quick reference if you need a refresher on one particular topic at a later date. First things first, what does your system include? There are 5 main components to the system. First is the hardware on the doors, which includes things like RFID locks, magnetic locks, electric exit devices, and sometimes other types of electronic locking hardware as well. Second is the access control system hardware and power supplies, which are the circuit boards covered in blinking lights, usually in a data room. The third component is the server, which is just a computer dedicated to running the software. Fourth is the software itself, which is called Premises. And finally, fifth is the enrollment readers. Knowing what each of these pieces are and a general understanding of what they do helps you keep the system healthy, as well as making it easy to communicate potential issues with tech support should the need arise. Of course, we all know that never happens. The training videos that follow will spend a majority of the time covering Premises, because that's where most of your interactions with the access control system will be. There are also a couple chapters on the installation and interactions directly with the NDE locks. Since each community is unique, and there are variances in both local building codes and how specific doors need to function in each community, the hardware that gets installed on the doors can vary. So, if after all the videos you have questions about the electronic hardware, feel free to ask your on-site trainer or email support@tech-sage.com and we will gladly walk you through your configuration.